Have you think how Japan, after World War II, producing goods and became the world leader in automotive manufacturing excellence? It wasn't luck. It wasn't just technology. It was quality and a new way of thinking about it. This transformation was contributed by a set of simple and effective methods, the 7QC tools. And behind these methods, there was one visionary man, Kaoru Ishikawa. Let's go back in time to understand how it all began. In the early 1950s, Japan's manufacturing industry was struggling. Products were often inconsistent, customer satisfaction was low, and global reputation was weak. But then, something changed. American quality experts like Dr. Deming and Dr. Joseph Duran visited Japan. They taught the principles of statistical quality control, showing that data could be used to prevent defects rather than just detect them. Now, one of their students, Kaoru Ishikawa, took this idea and made it practical for everyone, not just statisticians or engineers with PhDs. Ishikawa believed that quality shouldn't stay locked inside laboratories or management meetings. It should be owned by everyone, especially for people working on the shop floor. That simple belief led to the invention of the 7QC tools. Here's how Ishikawa thought about it. He said, 95% of quality problems can be solved using simple tools. And he was right. He noticed that when teams discussed problems, they often argued based on opinions, like, I think this is the cause, or I feel that's the issue. Ishikawa replaced that guessing with data and visualization. He motivates teams to collect data, chart them, and then use those visuals to make decisions. And from this philosophy, the 7QC tools were born. These tools designed to make problem-solving simple, visual, and data-based for everyone in an organization. Now, let's connect this to the automotive world. Imagine a Japanese car plant in the 1960s. Workers were assembling vehicles, but defect rates were high. Misaligned panels, inconsistent welds, paint runs. Instead of blaming people, the manager started motivating teams to find causes using these new quality tools. Operators began collecting defect data using check sheets. They plotted that data into Pareto charts to identify which problems mattered most. Then, they used cause and effect diagrams, also known as Ishikawa diagrams or fishbone diagrams, to brainstorm why those issues were happening. Within a few years, something incredible happened. Product quality improved in less time, rework costs went down, and customer trust increased. This practical, visual approach became the foundation of total quality management, and Japan's automotive giants like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan built their reputations on it. Let's talk about the mindset behind Ishikawa's philosophy. He believed that quality is not the responsibility of one department. It's everyone's job. He introduced the concept of quality circles, small groups of employees who meet regularly to identify and solve shop floor problems using the 7QC tools. These circles gave workers a voice, encouraged collaboration, and built a sense of ownership. In a way, Ishikawa didn't just give the world a set of tools, he gave it a new culture of problem solving, a culture where facts, teamwork, and continuous improvement come together to build excellence.